Hello everyone! This is the Budgetarian Tech Reviews. My name is Mimi and sasamahan ko kayong mag-check ng mga gadgets and gamit na pang home office na pasok sa inyong budget. Kaya naman kung bago kayo dito sa ating page or dito sa ating channel, please consider subscribing or following us. Ayan, so sobrang excited ako i-share sa inyo today guys. Itong dumating sa ating mail. O di ba parang makeup box lang ang cute. Alam niyo ba guys, nakalock pa to nung dumating siya. And I had to ask pa for the combination. Ayan. So this one came from Poco. So alam niyo na kung anong magiging laman nito, right? So tayo guys yung isa sa unang makakakita or makakasilip ng mga bagong release ni Poco phone for this year. So let's go na and buksan na natin to. Oh, so this is the Poco M4 Pro, guys, which is different from the Poco M4 Pro 5G that we reviewed dati, ha. We'll find out their difference in the later part of our video. Tuloy lang muna natin tong unboxing. Of course, we have the usual care package, which is yung mini box nila, which we'll open later. And then, ayan na yung unit natin with the main specs on front. And yes, this is how it looks in the back. Under this, we'll find the USB-C cable and the 33-watt charger. Ayan. So, dito sa loob ng ating mini box, we'll find, of course, the SIM ejector pin. This is the safety information guide, the quick start guide, and yung warranty card. Dito naman is yung kanilang jelly case. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, may nawala yung Poco stickers natin. Ayan. It's a good thing meron pa rin silang jelly case. This guys comes in the power black. Ang difference nito doon sa Poco M4 Pro 5G is shiny to. So this one weighs about 179 grams. Ayan, ipapakita ko na lang yung dimensions niya dito sa screen. And the screen guys comes in 6.4 inches flat screen AMOLED display. Ayun, ang ganda. Pag sinabi nating AMOLED, talagang black na black yung pagka-black. Kung nagigets nyo. You'll see there the 16MP punch hole selfie camera. And napansin ko parang meron siyang metal or silver edge dun sa camera. Dito naman sa likod, curved back design siya na with smooth and shiny finish. And kung mapapansin nyo, yung camera niya is na-extend yung pagka-angat niya hanggang dito. So, we have the 64MP main camera with the 8MP ultra-wide camera and 2MP macro lens with the dual-tone flash. Pagdating naman guys sa side, although plastic siya, ang ganda nung pagka-matte finish niya. Ayan. So, start tayo dito sa ating side-mounted fingerprint sensor. So, although AMOLED to, hindi sa screen guys yung kanyang fingerprint. Andito pa rin siya sa kanyang power button. And then, of course, our volume up and down, yung ating volume rockers. On the top, you will see there your IR blaster and microphone hole with one of the speakers. So, dual speaker to guys. And then, you have a audio jack. Ayan. And then here, you will have your dual SIM port with memory card slot. So, ayan yung tray niya. Expandable yung memory. And then, dito naman sa baba, you will see there another hole for the mic, your USB-C port for charging or data transfer, and yung isa pang speaker. So, dual speaker siya. Ayan. Para pag halimbawa naglalaro kayo or nanonood, maganda yung register ng sound sa inyo. By the way guys, this comes in MediaTek Helio G96, yung CPU niya. And yung memory niya comes in either 6 or 8 gigabytes. And then yung storage naman, pwede kayong kumuha ng 64 gig or 128 gig. Yung graphics niya is Mali G57. And out of the box, nagbo-boot na siya sa MIUI 13. Ayan. So, yung kanyang display, guys, ayan, nagpalit na si Poco ng default wallpaper or theme. This comes in 60 and 90 Hz Full HD AMOLED display. Ang resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels. Kita nyo naman na napaka-black talaga nung black, di ba? Okay, so guys, test naman natin yung camera. Okay, so sa selfie camera, okay naman guys. Parang true colors naman siya, no? So yung kanyang selfie camera again is 16MP selfie camera. Ito yung kanyang mga features. Ayan, meron siyang palm shutter, may movie frame, may time burst, and may timer. Ayan. Pwede ding video. Alam nyo, ang isa na gustuhan ko dito sa selfie camera nila is pwede kang gumamit ng flash. Try nga natin to may flash. So, technically, yung flash niya is parang mag-white lang yung screen. Ayan. And for the video naman, guys, kung halimbawa ginagamit nyo siya sa TikTok, you can choose either 720 or 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second. Ayan siya. Meron din silang night mode, 64M for macros, short video panorama documents. Halimbawa, magpipicture kayo ng mga test papers, tapos gusto nyo para na siyang PDF. Ayan, pwede yung documents. And meron ding slow motion time-lapse. Ayan. Pagdating naman guys sa back camera, so 64MP to guys. Yan yung rear camera and meron din siya yung wide angle lens. Up to 10 times zoom. Ayan. Ayan. So meron na din siyang HDR, meron na din siya mga different kinds of filters. So, here are some sample shots. So, dual speakers tong si Poco M4 Pro, which means maganda yung surround. So, let's try to play a music.
No, bail, come on.
Your Honor, we all know the only reason she is in court today is because you allowed us to hunt her down and capture her. Remand is warranted, Your Honor.
So, pagdating naman guys sa charging, ayan, this phone comes with 5,000 mAh battery. You can charge it with 33-watt charger, which charges in around 62 minutes. Ayan. So, guys, pagdating sa price ni Poco M4 Pro, i-flash ko na lang siya dito sa screen. Kung nanonood kayo ng ating mga tech reviews, alam nyo na talagang I really adore Poco phones. Actually, lahat kami dito sa family, we use Poco phones for our work and sa school ng mga bata. Wala talagang pagsisisi sa pagbili ng phones nila because you get high quality specs for affordable price. Ito yung price niya, guys. You can check it out in Lazada or Shopee. Ilalagay ko yung link sa baba. Make sure you check it out. So, para sa inyo na naghahanap pa lang ng phone or, you know, just look in the market kung ano ba yung mga latest. Ayan, then make sure you click the link para makita nyo rin yung full specs nitong si Poco M4 Pro. Ayan. Thank you guys again for watching and sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating review today. And I will see you guys again on our next video. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more work at home tips or tech tips. Bye!